That's always how it's been.
I only had one.
Shh. Okay, so here's your problem. Okay, so basically, in order to divide grams by milliliters, you need, so first of all, in order to get milliliters to grams, so in order to go from milliliters to grams, you need the substance density. Now, this isn't a problem that's in like an actual lab or like, I don't know, situation, I guess. So when it's just like a naked problem like this without any context to it, we assume that the substance is water. So water, the density of water is so it's 1 gram per centimeter cubed. What that means to you and the only thing you really need to remember is that water is, so a centimeter cube is the same thing as a milliliter. So water is 1 gram per milliliter. So that's the part that you're really gonna want to remember is, I just broke my pen trying to be helpful and color code things. Okay, so you're gonna really wanna remember this, 1 gram per milliliter. And that's the density of water. Let me put an arrow right there so you know. Density of water, 1 gram per milliliter. Okay, so just as an example, if we have 100 grams of water, well, that's also going to be 100 milliliters of water. So it's really the same thing. Okay, you're going to be like, oh, this is really easy. Okay, so in terms of this, so we want to keep the top part, the grams, so 29.86 grams. Okay, what you're converting is milliliters to grams. So again, if we think about this, and I'll write it out long so you can understand it. If we have 14.3 milliliters, okay, and if we convert this, okay, so we want milliliters because we want to cancel those out. We want grams on top. Okay, so if we convert this, there's 1 milliliter per 1 gram. Okay, so if we multiply the top, you're going to get 14.3 times 1 is 14.3. And then it's going to be over 1 because nothing, well, an invisible 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, and so 14.3 divided by 1 is obviously 14.3. Okay, so now for our units, well, milliliters and milliliters cancel out. You're left with grams. So 14.3 milliliters is the same as 14.3 grams. So it's really easy. There's really no conversion. I just did this so you understood why that was true. So 14.3 milliliters is the same thing as 14.3 grams. Okay, you plug this in your calculator. Hold please, I've got to get my calculator. So, now, well, first of all, now that we have the same units on top and bottom, well, you can obviously divide now. So 29.86 divided by 14.3 is 2.088111 blah, blah, blah. So it goes on forever, but in your problem, it wants significant figures. To be honest, I don't remember sig figs. So hold please.
I thought you already worked out the problem.
I did, but I don't remember significant figures. are the number of digits in a value, often a measure, blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah.
Those dumb bitches.
Fucking idiots. But I wonder, I don't know. You'll have to figure out sig figs. I was just supposed to show you the prob. Hopefully you knew what sig figs are. If you don't, let me know and I'll figure it out for you. So yeah, here's the answer. So grams divided by grams is obviously, that would be grams. Hope that helped. This is all kind of bullshit, but you probably might want to know where it comes from. I don't know.
Are you gonna do the other problems?
Yeah.
Okay, in that video and send it.